Imagine a city where futuristic skyscrapers meet lush green gardens, where every corner tells a story of culture and innovation. Welcome to Singapore, a city that's as diverse as it is dynamic. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, it's Keishan here, and today we're exploring one of my favorite cities in the world, Singapore. Known as the Lion City, Singapore is a melting pot of cultures, a hub of cutting-edge technology, and a paradise for foodies and adventurers alike. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious, stick around because this city has something for everyone. First up, let's talk about the iconic Marina Bay Sands. This architectural marvel isn't just a hotel. It's a symbol of Singapore's ambition. Head up to the Sky Park for a breathtaking view of the city skyline. And right next door, you'll find Gardens by the Bay, where the super tree grove and cloud forest will make you feel like you've stepped into the future. But Singapore isn't just about modern wonders. Its cultural diversity is what truly sets it apart. Take a stroll through Chinatown, Little India, or Kampong Glam, and you'll see how traditions and modernity blend seamlessly. And let's not forget the food. Singapore's hawker centers are a food lover's dream. From Hainanese chicken rice to chili crab, every dish tells a story of the city's rich heritage. Now, if you want to escape the hustle and bustle, Singapore has plenty of hidden gems. Check out Henderson Waves Bridge for a scenic walk, or take a ferry to Pulau Ubin for a taste of old-school Singapore. And if you're a nature lover, the Botanic Gardens and MacRitchie Reservoir are perfect for a peaceful retreat. Before you pack your bags, here are a few tips. The best time to visit is between February and April, when the weather is dry and pleasant. Getting around is a breeze thanks to the efficient MRT system and affordable grab rides. And don't worry about breaking the bank. Hawker centers offer delicious meals for just a few dollars, while luxury experiences are there if you want to splurge. So there you have it, Singapore, a city that's equal parts futuristic and timeless, chaotic and serene. Whether you're here for the food, the culture, or the sights, this city will leave you wanting more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel adventures. And let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you do in Singapore? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.